into the tribute store. I'm very excited because it looks like a old arcade on the outside. This is fun. Little photo booth. Do not open until 1985. See this like old bike here. Oh, Earl the Squirrel. We're in a little bit of a time crunch though because I think the whole park closes in like 20 minutes. So let's go inside. Oh, it's like a Blockbuster, really. I like this bright hat. It's a marshmallow shooter. How fun is that? Yeah, it shoots marshmallows.
Mad ones.
Some old movie posters along the top. Oh, and 2? Nice. Vintage. I know, look at those. I used to work at a video store in high school, and I would always have to rewind the movies after they returned them. Kind of saying my age there. Be kind, rewind. Yeah. Oh, flux capacitor. Some more old movies. Oh, kind of old TV up there. Looks like it has bloody something in it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, these are all horror films right here. Halloween, Phantom of the Opera. Nice. Chucky. Over here you got E.T. Back to the Future movies over here. Oh, this is the comedy section. I don't know any of these movies. Blues Brothers. I like that. Back to the Future shirt. Action movies. Oh, Jurassic Park. Sweatshirt. Shrek. Donkey. Shrek, I'm a donkey. What's back here? Get out! It's like the little laundry room closet type thing. Oh, look, there's the moon. Oh no, is that the boulder from like Indiana Jones? I know that's Disney. Maybe it's the moon from, I don't know. What's in that little case right there? Can you tell? I can't. Is that a Ghostbuster suit?
It might be.
Oh, Jaws hat. Well, we've seen this before. I like these hats. Bright orange. Ceilings are really tall in here. 1989. Yeah, like this is just very neat. Like I used to work behind like an old counter like this, and I had to like, check out movies and games and things that people that would rent on a VHS. And these are floppy disks, so I mean, I do remember using these, but More of the VHS when I worked at a video store. Call the repair shop. Oh my goodness. Lord of the Dance. Not a step. Oh yeah, you found a phone? Who you gonna call? Say Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call, Nadia?
You.
Say Ghostbusters. All right, let's go. Oh, let's go in the arcade, guys. Oh, the nostalgia. Yes. Look at everything. Oh, and using it like a bow staff. Put it up, son. Oh, look at that shark. That's awesome. Out of magic. Try another game. Oh, he's talking. Look at this Shrek shirt. That's funny. It's Shrek. Oh my gosh.
This is funny.
Yeah, get ogre yourself. I like that. That's hilarious.
Donkey. Wait, does he talk? Do you move?
You were expecting Prince Charming?
Donkey.
Oh, a little belt bag. More Jaws merch. New game coming soon. Oh, it's like the Dueling Dragons. Laser Dungeon. This is cool. So, like, you could just stand here and pretend you have all of these. Oh! It's sharp. Here. Oh, that's sharp. Oh, so sharp. Oh, that's cute. Tickets! Yes. Look at that. Like, you guys like playing arcade games all the time? That's cute. Ooh, which one of these treats do you think looks good, Sissy? How about the onion?
No.
What?
Wait, what
Is it an onion cheesecake? It's key lime. I like candy apples. I'm partial to those.
I like this one.
Yeah? You probably make your face all blue.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, look at those. There's Gingy. What's his name? The gingerbread man.
Gingy.
Ooh. Not the gumdrop buttons. All right, ready? Let's go on. That's neat. do, 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 do. Oh, and he gets an acorn. That's adorable. That was our super quick peek at the tribute store here in Universal Studios. Now the park is closed because it is 7 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye!